I was a CIT here, and it was the best summer ever. It was just like we bonded a lot because all the boys and girls were both in the lodge, and it was very like I made a lot of friends, and we're still best friends today. And the Ocean City trip was the best trip of my entire life. We started doing the fairy gardens, and it's a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun. Lots of messes, but the kids really like drawing, and especially the friendship bracelets, because that seems to be a camp tradition for every summer camp. So I love doing arts and crafts. Honestly, you make a lot of friendships and a lot of connections that are priceless. Like, you wouldn't be able to make as many connections and friendships here than you would in any other place. It's a lot of freedom. Like, this Timber Ridge is definitely unique because it was one of the camps that like built the camp traditions for every other camp. So it's just really, the friendships you make here and the connections are definitely something that I would convince people to. The amount of people that have gone to this camp, I mean, this is the 60th birthday of Timber Ridge this year. Timber Ridge is the one place that you can make friends and you feel like you've known them for years and you've known them for 4 days. Like, the people I've met this year, like, I feel like I've known them for years and I'm already like best friends with them. It's incredible. There's something different at Timber Ridge.